Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how to ignore message on Messenger. This ignore feature in Messenger is an ideal way to limit interaction with someone you know without having to block or unfriend them. Now let's jump into the video and learn how we can do it. Firstly, open up the Messenger app and now choose the conversation that you want to ignore. Now tap on eye icon at the top right corner. Now scroll this page to the bottom and you might have noticed that there is no option to ignore message on Messenger. That's because the new restrict option replaces the ignore message feature present earlier in the Facebook Messenger app. Now tap on restrict option. And once you restrict that person, that conversation will be removed from the chat list and you won't receive notification when restricted person message or calls you, and that person won't see when you read their message or your active status. But the thing is, that person will be notified when you restrict them. You can't also message or call that person, or neither you can see the online status of that person whom you have restricted. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to ignore message on Messenger. I hope this guide video was useful to you. If it was, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.